reality. I'm gonna try and speak up. But we're out here fishing, as you can see from the clip that I'm gonna show later. It's like about to be a big storm. There's a lot of wind, and look over there. That's what it was 5 minutes ago. Now this somehow rolled in. Oh my gosh, did I get that on camera? Please say I got that on camera. A big lightning just hit over there. It's definitely coming our way. We're definitely near water, so we still got 2 poles out. Voice crack. We still got 2 poles out, so hopefully we can get into some big fish while the storm is happening. So yeah, it's big winds out here, so I'll see you guys if we survive or just any other clips. Alan, you got him? Big boy? Decent. That's a nice one though. Woo!
Alright, bring him on up.
It's a nice one. Hola, mamacitas. As you can see, you cannot see the bridge anymore. Well, you can't really see, but you cannot see the bridge. It's just a vague darkness. You can feel stuff. We're leaving because it's coming. Let's just say it's coming. Yeah, filthy Frank voice. Yeah, I'm out, son. Gray to the day. Oh my gosh. It is coming. It is coming. It is coming. Please help us. We're in Tappahannock. Help us. If I post this video, I'm safe. But if I don't, tell my mom I love her since I'm with my dad. And hola, ¿cómo estás?
Even if lightning hits the car, the tires are rubber, it's grounded, so it can't hurt us in the car.
And this is what I was just out in. Cannot see anything. Alan, how you doing?